Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are gonna presenting about our project of engineering management, which is the installation and service maintenance of air conditioner at Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Our group member consists of Muhammad Faiz Hakimi bin Ahmad, Muhammad Arman Hakimi bin Ibrahim, Abdul Munzir Hakim bin Abdul Malik, Ma'aris Nur Ashidi bin Nazir, and Muhammad Safi Zikri bin Muhammad Zabri. Okay, next I will presenting our introduction. A standard air conditioner or cooling system comprised of three primary mechanical parts. First, a compressor, second, a condenser coil, and third one is the evaporator coil. It employs a specific chemical called refrigerant. Together, this part enable fast conversion of the refrigerant from gas to liquid and back again. Heat from the interior air is absorbed by the refrigerant as it transforms from liquid to gas, cooling the air as it passes over the evaporator coil. The cooled air is then circulated back through the ductwork of the house and into the different living spaces by the blower fan of the indoor unit. Like other electronics, air conditioner require routine inspection and maintenance to stay in good operating order. If they are not properly maintained, expensive air conditioning equipment will deteriorate and eventually become obsolete.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ma'aris Nur Ashidi bin Nazir. My number matrix is AE2000106 and I will explain for the background and previous research work. Malaysia experiences hot and humid climate all year round, causing people to rely on heating, ventilation and air conditioning system for cooling purpose. Providing a suitable thermal climate in educational environment such as lecture halls is essential for encouraging learning. In order to create a controllable and comfortable environment, crucial design factors like day lighting, ventilation, and solar control has been replaced by the artificial system like artificial lighting and HVAC, along with all the students and staff at university to say on, starting to return to the university and attend or conduct the physical class after the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the indoor thermal condition could have an impact on the occupant performance in learning and teaching activity, UTHM used this opportunity to plan an air conditioner service maintenance and installation project at the Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering building in support of this project. According to the research, a classroom that is excessively warm or cold can lead to physical stress and discomfort, which can make students ill and perform poorly. Typically, a classroom ventilation system consists of either manually adjustable window or a mechanical ventilation device like an air conditioner. In order to ensure thermal comfort in the environment, mechanical ventilation use blower, ventilators, filters, and duct to move and expel air from space. So, for the previous research work, there have been some studies done in order to develop this project for installing and maintaining air conditioners. The American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers (ASHRAE) state that the relative humidity (RH) between 30% and 60% is regarded as being in the comfortable range. RH between 40% and 60% is regarded as being optimal, and a RH of 50% is regarded as being ideal. So, from the graph of percentage of preferred relative humidity in air conditioner, we can see that 42% of people feel comfortable when relative humidity is between 30% and 60% because the air conditioner won't have to work as hard in the condition to effectively chill the classroom. The occupant will feel cooler and more refreshed. Therefore, 50% of respondents in the paper under evaluation feel comfortable with relative humidity level up to 60% in classroom with air conditioning. Simply put, based on this pie chart and air comfort analysis, this will result in excessive humidity which will negate the cooling impact of the air conditioner. As a result, a classroom will feel warmer than it actually is when the humidity is too high. The self-running air conditioner may cause more problems for the occupant and no longer produce the desired effect. So, in summary, the equipment like air conditioner need to be very efficient and installed in all classrooms in the proper quantity. In order for the AC to be utilized effectively, And to give the user with enough thermal comfort, it must also be maintained regularly. So I think that's all for my parts. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Hisham Fizikri bin Muhammad Zabri and I represent about primary data. Okay, first of all, the brand of air conditioner used is Daikin air conditioner, which is type of central air conditioner. Okay, second, the reason of choosing this brand. Over 90 years have passed since Daikin began producing high quality heating and cooling system. Daikin has a long history of quality and innovation, making it a well-known brand among consumers everywhere. Their goods are loaded with features and made to satisfy even the most discerning clients. Therefore, Daikin offers a solution that's ideal for you whether you are searching for an energy efficient system to reduce your power bills or one that can manage high temperatures. Okay, last but not least, we have found building that installs the air conditioner. Among all the blocks and facilities in UTHM, Block QA has been chosen to install the air conditioner in this project. It is because Block QA acts as the lecture room or classroom for the university students. And then beside that, the building of Block QA also have 8 levels. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, for the method we use, first of all, we use inspection and then removing the existing outdoor unit and then preparing the pit for the outside unit. After that, removing and replacing the indoor evaporator coil, removing and replacing refrigerant lines, and then setting up the outside unit. And then we use installation of the filter dryer. After the installation of wiring, and then condensate drain line installation. And lastly, we use.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz Hakimi bin Ahmad, metric number AA20026. Now I want to present about our project time frame. Our project is start on 7th of November 2022 and it's divided to three tasks, which is task 1 is project proposal and initiation, task 2 is project launch and execution, and the last task is final stage of project. Okay, in week 1, we form a group formation and task distribution and also background research and the filler table until week 3. At week 3, we do a primary data collection and air conditioner research and the selection until week 6. And week 6, we started on a research on the usage of air conditioner and analysis the structure and estimate the cost. And week 8, we do a consultation of air conditioner and installation. And week 9, we do a installation and maintenance of air conditioner until week 13. And last week, which is week 13, we test and finalize the project. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Ibrahim. So I will present about the costing for our project. So this is the project costing for a single air conditioner service maintenance and installation. The costing is included with the material cost, construction cost, manpower cost, professional cost, and design cost. For the material cost, it included with the air conditioner, copper pipe for piping, cable and wire for wiring, drainage pipe, and hanging bracket. So the total cost for the material is about 3,000 ringgit Malaysia. For the construction cost, is included with the maintenance and installation, and the cost is 500 ringgit Malaysia. For the manpower cost is included with the 2 person in charge for the maintenance and installation. So the cost is 450 ringgit Malaysia. For professional cost is included with the information study and analysis for the project. So the cost is about 200 ringgit Malaysia. For the design, it costs about 100 ringgit Malaysia. So for the total cost is 4,250 ringgit Malaysia. So the total cost is based on the 2.5 HP types of air conditioner. For the other types, for example, 1.0 HP, the total cost is 2,450 ringgit Malaysia. For 1.5 HP, the total cost is 2,850 ringgit Malaysia, and for 2.0 HP, the total cost is 3,850 ringgit Malaysia. So that's all from me. Thank you.
And last but not least, for the conclusion part, as part of this assignment, we must take on the role of a middle manager, or we call it as the project manager, and create a management proposal to suggest an air conditioner installation and maintenance project at the Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Therefore, it is necessary for us to plan the installation procedure and perform the air conditioner service maintenance for the benefit of the facility management teams, students, and lecturers. This assignment taught us information about air conditioner and the servicing and maintenance procedure involved. Additionally, we were aware of how to organize the steps involved in installing an air conditioner, and we were able to evaluate the data and information we discovered while conducting our study to choose the best approach for achieving our project's goal. That's all from me. Thank you.